Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have two different Halloween junk journals to show you that will be in my Etsy shop. I will put the link for my shop down below. It is Creative Crafticality, and these are both junk journals that I used the Hocus Pocus paper pad from Michael's Recollections. And so I will start with this one on the side here. This has the cute little witch on the front, a cutout from the paper pad, and I layered it up. If you want to see how I made this cover, it's usually using a 9x11 or 9x12 envelope for the cover. I did a tutorial on it. So I used some checkered fabric back here. I layered with this polka dot fabric. Then I used some orange back behind there, used some dyed purple cheesecloth or the creepy cloth, and then I sewed this cut apart on top there. I made this little charm, and I will link the video for how I made this below. That was my video from yesterday. The back is plain, just the fabric, but I stitched it all the way, well, on the top and the bottom here, because the cover is a pocket itself. I left the envelope open on the front so there would be a pocket. This book is 6 by 9 approximately. The pages are a little bit smaller so they wouldn't go out behind, out above the cover. I have the ties sewn in on this one, and I used a purple and an orange fabric, and then alternating orange and purple thread on there. So you open it up. This book has approximately 88 pages on front, counting fronts and backs, and so this is a little bit bigger. It's a chunky book. I do have a few things in it already. There's still space, I think, but definitely a book for you doing a lot of journaling, like your October daily or whatever. So, but I had a lot of fun with this one. So you open it up here, there's a pocket, and I just put some dyed paper in there. And then there's two little envelopes that I made here to put things in. This is also a pocket page. Some more dyed paper there. This was a really cute little vintage magazine that I had. It was called Wee Wisdom, and this was the October edition. So I have a couple of these in there. I will also, and as some of you may know if you've purchased my books, I send it with a little goodie bag of just other vintage items and random other little items that I think will go well with the book. So I will probably include 2 more little pages like this from those books. They're super cute. I put in cut aparts that were from the collection here, so I have that at the top. I made a little sewed gathered piece on the side there. I made this little tag, super cute. It's made from a paint chip, and the paint chip's actually called Pumpkin Patch, so I thought that was cute. Then I used a cut apart and this sparkly tool from the Dollar Tree and added a felt sticker here. I'm going to be doing, if you come back on Thursday, I'm going to be doing a little craft with me making tags like this. So that's in there. There's a little belly band, just stuck some paper in there. Sewed some lace over there. Here's a cute little Halloween bag. Little tuck. I did lots of sewing on this. Sewed some of the fabric or paper together. Here's a little tuck spot. I dyed paper using food coloring. That's what all these are done. I love how this turned out. It was just a lot of fun. I dyed a coffee filter there. Here's another little tuck spot and some lace. Another belly band. And I sewed some rickrack over there. Here's a dyed doily. Little belly band and a cute little, like, little glossine flat bag there. I found a cute Halloween coloring book at the thrift store, so I stuck that in there. Super cute. Here's a little page with some pom-pom trim. Another little tuck. Had some orange ruffle trim there. Here's another pocket. Here's an envelope. It has another little envelope in it, decorated with some skull washi. Lots of pockets and places to put pictures and journaling. Here's another one of the pages from that magazine. Just thought that was super cute. It's a little side tuck there. Another ruffle with fabric. Here's a vintage glassine bag that I found at the thrift store. It's probably from the 70s, I would think. There's the other side of that envelope. More tucks and pockets. Here's a little tag I made with scraps. The other side of that coloring page. Here's another bag that I sewed to make a little pocket there. I used some ribbon here and cut it in half and did a little ruffle. Another belly band. Here's some little side pockets. I thought I had another one of those. Oh, I think that's in this other book, but I'll be sticking some little tags in there. Here's a little tuck spot here, the fun Halloween bingo card. It's the other side of that bag. Little pocket there. Fun. I just really love how this turned out with the food coloring. That was just fun. Another page. Here's a double tuck, corner tuck. And that's the last page. Oh, this is a pocket as well. So there's that one, super cute. And then my other one is in orange and black and white and kind of a cream and vintage kind of feel. But I just have it tied up with this fabric here, and it comes off. I have a little tassel here that has ribbons and fabrics and like the fun fur on the side there. And this is the same, it's 6 by 9 approximately. There is a pocket at the top, and I didn't mention too that this is a pocket up at the top here. I used some fun orange pom-pom trim and the black lace, and then this is an orange and black checkered fabric, and I stitched that all the way around. This one as well is an envelope inside there, so there's a little pocket. I stuck in one of the old magazine from October, and I think that was like from the 1960s, I believe. Here's a pocket. There's a fun jack-o'-lantern die cut there. This is a pocket page. Here's another one of those magazine pages. A little belly band with burlap fabric, or it's burlap ribbon. And I stuck a little paint chip in there, and this is actually called jack-o'-lantern, so I thought that was cute. I believe I'm going to make tags for this using that too. I'm not sure. If I do, I'll get some more to stick in this book. So here's more tucks, belly band with lace on that one, another coloring page. There's another belly band here and here, some coffee dyed paper with a Halloween bingo card. There's a little pocket there. There's some vintage sheet music and a pocket page. This is a vintage printable card that I had in my stash. Some Monopoly, or no, life money there. Another one of those vintage glassine bags with the little card in there. A belly band. Another pocket and a little jack-o'-lantern. Here's a little Halloween book, kids book page. I sewed some of the creepy cloth along the side there that was dyed orange. Here's the inside with belly bands there. Another little pocket page, some cut aparts there. Here's a lace belly band on that one. More pocket page, sheet music there. Here's another scrap little tuck that I sewed together. It's the other side of that coloring page. Little tuck spot. Here's this double little pocket page that has little tags that I sewed together there. More dyed paper. The other side of that vintage page. There's a pocket with fabric, and then I just stuck a little envelope in there. And there's the back page. This one has 68 pages in it, so this is a little bit smaller, but it's still pretty chunky, I think. So there you go, guys. I hope you like these. Go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. They will be listed there for you. Again, I have 2 of each. And check out my video on how I did the cover here. I also have a video on how I did this charm here. And then look ahead on Thursday or Friday, I will have a video on making some Halloween paint chip tags. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.